it's going to be a fun one when we're starting with some revs. I didn't record an intro to this one, but this is unpacking and going through all of the rest of the winter projects before the 2025 season. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Look forward to running through this with you. Let's get rolling into it.
Unfortunately, I thought it was the full kit, like the 3-piece, but it's only the 2-piece. So that kind of sucks a little bit. We might have to make our own section 1. But Bimmerworld full street and track exhaust. Bolts up to the OEM section 1. So, I mean, dude, this thing is gonna sound great. I'm so excited for it. There's not much to unbox. It's not a lot in here. There's a V-band too, but yeah, I mean, this alone, like, kind of heavy, but compared to the agency power we had on before, like, this thing is heavy, but that guy's light comparatively. And we're dropping a ton of weight off the section 2, so this will be awesome. It's very bottom of the car. It won't make a huge difference, but I mean, I'm hoping, when I was doing the editing of the flybys, I want the car louder. I'm hoping this makes it a lot louder. Welcome underneath the car with me, fellas. So, in preparation for this Bimmerworld exhaust, I think what we're gonna do is trim out all this excess heat shielding. Just to, I mean, because like it's gonna lose what's bolting it over here, so I'm imagining all that's just gonna rattle. And so we're gonna trim inside of this line. I think I'll have to remock it up to see. But inside of this line here, that way this bolts up. Then we're gonna do like a little angle down here. I could probably take it straight, but we're gonna get rid of this back flap because I want to clear up this area back here. And just, I don't know if it does, but it should help with airflow, right? Because, I mean, the more we can clear up underneath, the better. But yeah, let's get trimming.
So after trimming the heat shield, the next was going for the area where this rear diffuser normally mounts to. Wanted to get rid of this and cut this out just for the looks, honestly. I don't know if it does anything besides making it irreversible. But next couple of images, I didn't record any of this unfortunately, but you can see the close-up of once it's gone. Just looks a lot cleaner in my opinion.
If you want another reason as to why visual inspection is so important, I was changing my diff oil and I peek over here, and that is almost out. I'd say it's honestly probably free floating, being held in by the bolt, if not close to it. But yeah, so we're gonna email Rogue, see what if they have any idea what happened. Maybe there's a quality control error. Hopefully I don't need to get a new rear trailing arm. But if you look how it's supposed to look on the passenger side, it's supposed to look like that. So yeah, we're a little bit worried. We were driving a little spicy. So if you guys have the issue like I did with this popping out, the Rogue Engineering control arm bushing, contacted them, and all they said, they recommended, there's a way you can do it with like a Loctite, but I have a welder, so I'm gonna go this route. Said to add a little dot and then file it down in here, just like a little tack weld to increase the interference fit. So that's what we're gonna go for, and it should help press this in. This thing pretty much slid in and out without any need. I could do it by hand, so it's definitely loose. All right, check it out. So, oh wait, there you go, you can't see anything. So, after cooking these, they honestly, I mean, these things are brand new. You probably could have saved them, but rather safe than sorry when it comes to brakes. One thing I noticed, guys, I actually read about this. This surface coating, I think these are like Zimmerman or something of the sort rotors. You want to clear this away because I guess this galling that you get here, I don't know if that's the proper word, but that can actually affect the clamping force, and then it'll actually loosen your wheel and cause a failure. I learned that after I put these on, but anyone that has these rotors, keep that in mind. After cooking these, I wanted to go to a 2-piece, and I decided I was going to do the gyro discs, and I actually had them purchased. I had to return them because we're going from that little guy to this behemoth. Okay, let's see if we can compare these. I wonder if you guys can see the text. Oh yeah, you can see it. They're about the same size, ever so slightly bigger. Now it's actually slightly off center, but I think from the measurement they were like an 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch bigger. But we're gonna go from the CSL style rotors to a set of really fucking nice Willwoods, baby. Fucking Willwoods. Gotta be careful with that. I'm gonna give myself a lot of work in editing. But 2-piece floating. And when you got the big Willwood rotors, we got some lines, but you need the damn big calipers. And these are the Aero 6s. God, I'm so excited to get these on the car, kind of see how they run. But yeah, I mean, we also got with it some Carbotech brakes. I believe these are the racing pads. So the guy that I got this from put only 3,000 miles on these on the street, or what he claims. But they look to be in good shape. These are worn. These have wear marks. These might be the street pads. But some Carbotechs. I'm pretty sure Carbotechs are race pads. But either way, he put very few miles on it, so we have those. And a set of street pads. Willwood high performance brakes. I'd imagine these. I don't know. I'm not sure what she was running before. We have the mounting hardware. I don't know what this is. Oh. Brackets. More mounting hardware. And more mounting hardware. Hell yeah.
Well, I'm sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to cut this one off here. I don't think I can post anything over 10 minutes yet, and I still have a intake project that I did this off season that honestly at this point deserves its own video rather than getting crammed in the last 2 minutes of this. So I'm gonna get cranking on that. I'm excited to share it with you guys. I think it's really cool. I'm excited for you guys to see. There was a lot of fun making it, and I will try to get that edited out shortly within a good pace after this one. But thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you all.